peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. I am getting my ATCs going. I am sort of in a quandary, like I'm not exactly sure what I'm making. So I just made this bit here with some different items. I have the theme for the month is going to be snail mail. So I've got these postage stamps. I've got some sort of, I don't know, correspondence type backgrounds. I've got these stickers. I like these down here. And then there's also these postage stamps. So I just kind of made this bit real quick just to see if I put this on a background, how it would look. And then maybe stamp on here snail mail or something. So I'm sort of figuring it out, but let's just get going, and I'm just going to mess around and see what I can come up with. Okay, so I have these bits now. Now I'm going to find some backgrounds that I want to use. So I cut some 2.5 by 3.5 backgrounds. I just want to see how these look. Kind of like this one with this. Okay. Excuse me. I've got these now. And now I want to see what I have for stamps that I could sort of do a little stamping over that. So I have these stamps. 2 of these are from the Paris rubber stamps from Cavallini & Company. And the other one is from the Par Avion set. And I never hardly use these, but I love them so much. Okay, that's coming along. Looks alright. Okay. I'm gonna have to do the edges on these. Okay. Now I need like something, like maybe something across the top. Alright, let me go check. So then I want to go around the edge of these. Okay, these are all inked up. I still think I do want to put some like white splotches on there. So I'm going to try it with one and see how it looks. This is the final product. So these ATCs are going to be swapped with the swap at the Facebook page or through mail. So this March theme is snail mail, and you will have till the end of March to send them in. So I'm going to give you some other examples of what people have done, just so that you can get an idea. These three, this one here, I hope it's not too bad. Zoom in. Okay, this one, you are priority. This one, it's a little postcard behind and then a stamp in the front, super cute. Okay, and then the one I did for this swap is right here. It's like a postage stamp. So you could make one that looks like a postage stamp, you could make one that looks like a postcard, you could use postage stamps, you can use a snail, and because it's snail mail, you can make a mailbox shaped one if you want. So there's plenty of ideas, and your best bet is just to go on and Google mail themed ATC. Here's just a regular ATC with a postage stamp on it. This isn't really like themed postage, but it gives you the idea that the whole thing doesn't have to be. And then this here has got 2 stamps on it. A lot of people do use stamps in their ATCs, so hopefully that gives you some ideas. Okay. Either email me below if you don't use Facebook, or head on over to the Facebook group. Check it out. That swap is going to be open, and you'll have till the end of March, so that's an entire month to get these done. Thanks for watching.